Now, one thing that I really like about these questions, these simulator problems, is that there's often more than one solution. Well, let's see if we have some more correct answers to this problem. Remember that to solve this problem and get the spacing we needed, we slowed United to 540 knots for 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, it was 3 miles behind Delta, and then we sped United back up. We got our 3-mile spacing in 3 minutes. If you look at this chart, do you see another way to get 3-mile spacing? Well, there's more than one right answer to that question, but one way that you might do it would be to slow United to 420 knots for 1 minute. And now it's 3 miles behind Delta, and you could speed it back up, and you would have achieved your 3-mile spacing in 1 minute. So there's more than one right answer. In fact, there are some other answers as well, and you can think about that. But this is an application problem, and we can think in the context of the application, is there a best answer? There may be more than one mathematically correct answer, but is there a best answer? And if you were a pilot, what would you rather do? Would you rather slow down a little bit, maintain that speed for 3 minutes, and then speed back up? Or would you rather make a big speed decrease for 1 minute and then shoot right back up to the original speed?